That is our example number 2. Iri kuti find the remaining angles of triangle ABC in which A is equal to 12.5 centimeters, C is equal to 17.7 centimeters, and C is equal to 116 degrees. So what we do is chekutanga, as we discussed earlier, we need a sketch of the triangle. We are told that it's A, B, and C. Taudzwa kudaro manje. We are told that A is equal to, so A unouya equal to 12.5 centimeters. We are told that C is equal to, so C is equal to what? 17.7 centimeters. And C uno ut are equal to 116 degrees. Question yati, find what? Find the remaining angles. Kureva kuti question yedu iri kuda kuti titsvage chi? This angle A and this angle B. So we are going to do this smartly. Saka tinozoita sei? Chekutanga ndechekuti, let us say we need to find A. So finding A tinomuwana sei? Tadiscussa in our example number 1 kuti we could have a pair, complete pair, full pair, then tozoita pair ine chatiri kutsvaga. Saka our full pair panapa is going to be C, because we have the angle C 116 degrees and the side C which is 17.7 centimeters. Saka tikutsvaga A handiti. Chati A takunyora panapa over sin A. Saka tinongotora the sine rule is given generally in 3 parts of an equation, but isu tinongotora 2 chete that we're interested in. You understand? I think you noticed this from our first example. Saka A over sine A ndiochi, that which is full, is equal to, saka A over sine A ndiyo question yedu, but C over sine C ndiyo iri full, a full pair. So we need to know kuti A ndiani. We are told that A ndiani ndi 12.5 centimeters. So we just substitute 12.5 over, atikuziva the angle A, saka it's sine of what? This is equal to, what is C? C into 17.7 over the sine of C, which is the sine of what? 116 degrees, like this. Tadaro, how are we going to solve this? So we are going to do what we did prior, where we are going to apply basic math. So let us do it from here. Space. Saka panapa we are going to multiply na sine A. Kuda mubvisa ku denominator kuno kucha multiply futi nani na sine A. Saka sine A akacheka naye. Zora kuti panapa tasarwa tinani 12.5 is equal to 17.7 sine A over the sine of 116 degrees. Toda sine A isari yega, saka kuno kuti multiply ne reciprocal of this. Kureva kuti multiply na sine of 116 degrees over 17.7. Waita daro 17.7 E yakuchekana ne E, sine 116 degrees yakuchekana ne E, kuti sare na sine A chete. Then zvataita kuno kutofunga kuzvita futi kupi? Uku. Kureva kuti takumultiply uku nani na sine 116 degrees over 17.7. Kureva kuti panapa manje tinenge takuinyora takati chi. I don't want us to be confused, so let us remove this part. Okay, sapanapa teta kuinyora takati the sine of 116 degrees over 17.7. Then this, of course, sine of 116 degrees ya multiply na 12.5. Sapanapa is 12.5. sine of 116 degrees over 17.7 is equal to the sine of A. Are we together, Panap? Because we now need to calculate space, saka we have to clear kumsoro kuno. So make sure we are together. If not, tonyora comment section izvezvi kuti pama minutes are cut, I lost it. I'll come back to it. Tiri pano patava tinenge takuita sei? Isusu hatisi kutsvaga sine A, tiri kutsvaga A. Saka ngatinyore takadai so. Sine A iri equal to chi 12.5 the sine of 116 degrees over 17.7. Maybe kuti tisakonfusana ngatitange tasolva zviri kuright. So we go to our calculator. Toti 12.5 sine, make sure iri degrees 116 anditika over 17.7. Answer yatiri kuwana da kuinyora sezvairi. Sine A is equal to 0.63474155812. Ndo mabudiro airi kuita pacalculator pangu. Ansoda kuluza degree of accuracy. Saka ndanyora sezvairi. Ndinozongonyora the final answer. In this case, iri expressed to one decimal place because ndo zvakaita chi? Ndo zvakangoita zvinhu zviri muquestion. Saka kuti tiwane A, what we do is tichati A is equal to arc sine of that number. Arc sine of that number. In essence, we have sine A is equal to 0.63 zvichienda. Tiri kuda A, saka we have to divide with the sign. But kana chidivide with the sign, zvakasiyana here nekuti we are multiplying with 1 over sine. And 1 over sine haisi kubva here pakuti kana tikati 1 over A zvakafanana nekuti A to the power minus 1. Laws of indices. Saka sine is the inverse of sine. You understand? Saka nachida kuwana A tangu kuti tibvise sine kuside kunoku achiuya uku anoenda uku ari chi arc sine. You see? Then panapa it's impossible kuiwana without a calculator. Saka A iri equal to chi? Toita mucalculator medu toti arc sine. Saka mwe macalculator anoti shift yekuti ubvise pana sine uise pa arc sine. My calculator iri kuti shift, I don't know what yours is saying. So ndikabaya shift ndikabaya sine iri kubuditsa arc sine 0.634 74 1558 12. Answer yandiri kuwana it's 39.398892847448. But ndikatarisa maangles angu ndiri kuona kuti they are written as whole numbers. So that is the degree of accuracy I'm going to adopt. Kureva kuti panapa if I express this as a whole number inongodzoka iri 39 degrees. Saka A it's 39 degrees. Ndo mawaniro atinoita. It's wonderful handidi. Takuda kutsvaga the side B. Uye hafango kutinetsa because we know kuti the sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Saka we are just going to write the equation. What is the equation? A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Toda kutsvaga B. Saka A na C zvofanira kuenda uku. B inenge iri equal to 180 degrees minus A. Achinja sign, across equal sign minus C. So B iri equal to 180 degrees minus 39 degrees the A minus 116 degrees the B. The C actually. So B iri equal to, we put this in our calculator, 180 minus 39 minus 116. b is equals to 25 degrees. So b panapa is 25 degrees. Tikadai so tinenge tatokuleta zvinhu zvedu. So that is how it's done. Tanyatsokuita nemazvo because painotanga tisina kudecida kutanga tawana a zvaizotinetsa because b hatisi kumuziva uye side rake hatisiri kuriziva. Saka kutotanga tawana b was impossible because kana tichida kuaplya sine rule tinobvunzwa interior angle yeside ratiri kuziva kana kubvunzwa side reangle yatiri kuziva. Kana tisingazivi zvese ndopanoaplya baba vari kuuya panext lesson vanonzi cosine rule.